Hey guys, and welcome back to this brand new unboxing video. Today we will be unboxing my United Boeing 737-700 and my Delta Airbus A330-300. Now before we get into this unboxing video, I do want to mention that this is my first unboxing video I made. This was taken back in October 2021. The 3 Dreamliner unboxing video is already out on YouTube, so feel free to check it out if you haven't already. Anyways, let's start with the first model. Okay. Let's begin with my United 737-700 in the Continental Globe colors. I purchased this model from the Midwest Model Store and is my first purchase from that retailer. The price was just $39.95. Adding shipping to that, the total was $44.86. This was my first United model in the 1/400 scale. Alright. Now time to get my hands ready and unbox this thing. Now after all of that cutting, let's open the flaps. Let's just remove all of this packing paper, and there she is. First of all, I do have the receipt of my order, which I will show little details on. So here is the receipt of my order. I'm not gonna go further details to this because it gives information about my address. So I did censor those. Anyways, let's take out the box out of the package. Man, that is a very tight fit for a small box. It is very hard to take out too. So I decided to get some scissors to solve this problem. Great. Now that box is coming out. Great that I used scissors as my second option. Okay. Let's begin this review. What an amazing box this is. You got the CGI printed aircraft in the middle along with the United and NG logos and the Boeing license sticker. And you got the aircraft's name on the top. I love how the Continental Globe style is presented in the box. Here is the back. Pretty much the same. And here is the side of the box. Again, nothing much to see. Alright, let's open this box and reveal the model inside. And there it is. Now let's take her out of the plastic case. There we go. Pretty small for a Boeing 737. Now let's set her down and begin reviewing this aircraft. Let's start with the front. Beginning here, you got the static ports and pitot tubes, which are greatly detailed. You got the cockpit windows and the Star Alliance logo. And you got the nose gear and ETOPS written at the nose gear door. I do love how the nose shape of the NG mold kinda resembles to its real counterpart. You got the L1 boarding door and the United titles. I also see what appears to be the free Wi-Fi onboard sticker beside the boarding door. I also love on how the bottom antenna has the red painted on it. Very great attention to detail. Next we have the middle section. Here you got the CFM engine along with the single emergency exit door, which is common on the Dash 700 variant. You got the top antenna and the bottom antennas, which are also painted red. You got the main landing gear and the split scimitar winglet, which is about the right size as what the aircraft looks like in real life. Here is another view of the winglet. It looks very nicely detailed too with the color. Another pro feature for NG models. And here is the back of the aircraft. Over here you got the L2 door and the Wi-Fi box. You also got the aircraft's ship number at the back of the rear door. You got the US flag on the top and the aircraft's registration on the bottom. The registration for this aircraft is November 16732. And here is the Continental Globe tail back then when United merged with Continental Airlines back in 2010. I appreciate the color of this aircraft, and I think NG did a good job with the color. Here is the other side. You got the cargo doors and all of the other details that I mentioned before. In this crappy lighting situation, you got the front of the aircraft. Looks pretty good in this angle. And here is the bottom. One thing I love about this model is there is some silver that is added to the fuselage. That is very nice detailing. And just like every NG model aircraft, the landing gear does roll. Overall, good job NG models on this aircraft. The mold is superior and the detailing and colors looks fantastic. NG continues to have a good 737 mold and making sure these models become intact before it is being shipped to retailers. Once again, great job NG models. Let's move on to my second NG aircraft in this unboxing. Alright. Here is the second box. Inside is my Delta Airlines Airbus A330-300, also by NG models. I purchased this on Panda Fox Toys using eBay. Once again, this was way before I started buying from their website. I also do want to tell you that both my 737 and A330 came on the same day, so pretty much a double unboxing if you get what I mean. Now let's begin unboxing this so I can show you the box. So now we got that cut open. Let's open up the flaps inside and reveal the model inside. Let me just take all of this packing paper out. First we have a Panda Fox coupon code. However, this one has already expired. I apologize for showing it to you this late. And there it is. The Delta A330. Now to take all of the packing paper in the box and get it out of there. Hang on a minute. There is something strange in this box. I really don't know what was that, but here you have the box. Perfectly designed by NG models. You got the aircraft's name, the Delta and NG models logos, and the CGI printed aircraft in the middle. The back is pretty much the same. You got all the hazards and all of that. The sides looks pretty much the same too. Nothing too special, just plain white on each side. I am hearing something rattling and I'm pretty sure that it has something to do with the model. I am not ready on what is about to go down. But here we go with the unboxing. Well, here is the model. At least it is secured in a plastic case and styrofoam. Now what has caused all of this rattling? Oh my god. Seriously? You guys see this? Look at this. Well folks, we have a missing horizontal stabilizer. This is no good. I hope it is still in the box. And if it isn't, then I'm gonna freak out. I wasn't expecting the horizontal stabilizer to come out, but I'm gonna find it. I am still unboxing this aircraft to see if there are any other parts that are loose. I hope it's just the horizontal stabilizer. That way it will only take one superglue fix for this aircraft. Let me just take out all of this extra paper and try to get the model out of there. Okay, she is out of the case. Now to take out the bottom paper and hopefully find that missing horizontal stabilizer. Bruh. Are you freaking kidding me? Not a broken main gear. It looked fine at first, but it suddenly came loose like that. Well, that's 2 trips to the airplane hospital. This one is in a very bad shape. Thankfully I did found the missing horizontal stabilizer. This one appears to be the left horizontal stabilizer for the aircraft. Similar to the left main gear, this pretty much came loose too. I'm guessing it's not glued properly. Let's see what in the world is going on with that aircraft. Well, that is a sad sight to see. As if this aircraft was being scrapped at the scrapyard. Now I would agree of saying that this is a shipping problem. Panda Fox does well when it comes to handling the models, but sometimes, shipping can lead to problems at times. Not all of the time however. So, with my super glue kit ready for work, let's put this aircraft back together. And a couple of minutes of fixing up the horizontal stabilizer as well as the left main gear. Perfect. Looks good as new. Now let's begin with a review. Let's start with the front. I love the nose shape of the NG mold of the A330. I think they did a nice job on it. You also have the cockpit windows and the SkyTeam logo. You have the L1 boarding door and the Delta titles and all of those detailing. There is a free Wi-Fi sticker beside the door as well. Same goes for the L2 boarding door. Great attention to detail. And you got the top antenna and the nose gear and the numbers that are written in the nose gear door. Here is the middle section of the aircraft. You got the nice blue engine as well as the main gear. These engines are Pratt & Whitney PW4168A engines that power this A330. Here is a front view of the engine. The fan blades are perfectly designed on this aircraft. Here is an overhead view on what the middle section looks like. You got the L3 door and this wing detail is superior right here. You also got the other top antennas and the Wi-Fi dome, which is quite smaller than the 737. And here is the back. There is also the bottom antenna and the L4 door. You got the US flag and the aircraft's registration. This is registered as November 806 November Whiskey. And here is the beautiful Delta tail with its ship number. The ship number for this aircraft is 3306. Once again, the colors on this aircraft is great. Here is the other side where the main difference is the cargo doors. Nothing much to go over since I already talked about the main details. Here is the front view of the plane. Once again, it is in a very bad lighting situation. Although, I can see that the wings are flexing to look like the aircraft is in its ground configuration. I think NG really nails that detailing. And here is the bottom. You got that beautiful Delta logo on the belly, and all of that amazing detail like the main gear door. Another pro for NG's model planes. And just like my 737, the landing gear rolls too. Time for a comparison. I am not gonna go full on details on this, but it is just a small difference for this video. A separate video will come soon, so stay tuned. Anyways, I brought my Gemini Jets Hawaiian Airlines A330-300 once again to compare this with my Delta A330. And take a look at the wing. You can see that NG does a more better job on getting the aircraft to its ground configuration. The Gemini one looks like it has a little wing flex, but it's not too bad for a model. I think Gemini still did a good job with my A330, but NG is far more superior than what Gemini has to offer. To give my overall thoughts, even though the model came broken, and I was able to fix it, NG models still did a great job on this model aircraft. The mold has got to be the best for this model, and the colors and all of that detailing is amazing. I am glad that I got this model fixed and get it to its original condition. Very nice work, NG models. They are still continuing to create model aircraft that are over the top, superior and highly collectible. And yes, I still think Gemini still does a good job, but NG takes the cake. And that concludes my double NG models unboxing video. Overall, both models are amazing, and as I said, NG still continues to become a great model airplane company as what they are supposed to be. I do hope you enjoy this video. Please leave a like, comment on the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing aviation content for you guys. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified of any new videos along the way. And share this video to other platforms to help this channel grow. It really helps my YouTube channel a lot. Anyways, thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Good night.